Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a Lautie shuffle in Zirc. Look at this. This is the new packaging. The box comes with these like over box kind of thing, box cover, like box sleeve. I don't know the name, but still different. Stay cool and be different. So this kind of like opens like that. It's hinged. It's not like the old one, and you just open it up and you get your classic set of stickers. There's a new tool, which is this guy, to take the that's the actual tool to take the thing apart, and I don't really know what is this one, to be honest. Let me know if you know in the comment section. But anyways, here is the actual shuffle. This is the pair of kings, and this is one of my favorite toys. It's a slider. It's a gorgeous one. It's minimal. It's a classic in the fidget world. Lautie shuffle is pretty popular because it's compact. It's nice. It's very simple to operate. It looks good. This is the new version in Zirc and stainless steel. So you see the Zirc going on all around, and this little copper accent on the back, which is going to patina nicely over time. It's a pretty cool addition, especially to my Zirc collection, but I mean to anyone's collection of fidget toys, because guys, this thing, it looks great. Let's quickly check the size. I mean, nothing's changed from the size for the previous version, which is going to be like 1.6 inches by, I would say, 1.3, and the thickness 0.3. Something in that realm. So it's the same slider that you're used to from Lautie. This is the king. There's going to be the aces. I'm not sure if there's going to be the blackjack, but for sure king and aces are done. You have the numbering on the back, Zirc and copper in this case, because you get copper right over here. And you can just pull it apart, and you're going to reveal the underneath structure of this pretty cool toy. So very simple disassembly. You can just unscrew this one. If you want to maintain or clean it up, it's going to be a breeze. So pretty cool. I mean, check the detail of this milling going on over here. Look at this. Look at the king here. It is very precisely made. That's the milling on the back. That's very cool, guys. So nicely made. It is a slider, has 1, 2, 3 states, and that's it. So you can have it, this action, go very smooth and quiet, or just clicking away, and that's going to be still a very nice, not too loud sound. In the hand, it feels great, nice and grippy with these. See, it's pretty deep, so there's going to be some grip to this surface because of the texture of the design. Very cool indeed. Nice, grippy, snappy. It's smoother than the steel, and then the copper for sure. The Zirc is sliding much better in this version. I really like how this guy feels in the hand. It's my favorite. I would have to say this thing feels better than the steel and the copper, 100%. Doesn't smell. It feels a little bit heavier. I don't know. Let's check the weight, because I don't have here the other two versions. This is going to be 1.9 ounces. I would have to check my other videos on the steel and copper, but these guys, I'm telling you, it's a gorgeous one. Waiting for my pair of aces to come to complete the set. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.